Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here doubling down on my Sephora play boxes. I have my January box and my February box ready to go. Because sometimes life comes at you fast. So let's dive right in. Sephora Play, for those of you who don't know, is a monthly subscription box. For $10 a month, you get 5 samples that are suited to your beauty profile, plus a bonus item. The bonus item used to exclusively be fragrances. That's not always true now, so I don't know what we're gonna get. You get a collectible bag. They used to be little cloth bags. Now they're kind of Ziploc bags, or they have been. What else? You get this little card, which is worth an extra 50 Beauty Insider points if you use it in the store. And you get access to a Sephora Playdate, which is a monthly get-together at a Sephora store where you can meet other Sephora Beauty Insiders and maybe get a beauty demo or something like that. I've never been to one, so I'm not quite sure. The January theme seems to be your 2019 Beauty Scope. Is that center? Can you see that? Let's see, I'm a Scorpio. Scorpios are calculated and tactical. Tactical, y'all. Always thinking 3 steps ahead. Bring that strategic nature into your makeup routine and use products like long-wear foundations and lipsticks that will never let you down. I mean, I like things that wear long and hate reapplying stuff, but I don't think that's what they're talking about. The other side has information about the products in the box, but I don't want to pay attention to that too much yet until I see what we got. Here is a little bag, a little Ziploc bag that comes now in the boxes. I love pouches, to put pouches in my purses, so this really works for me. I dig it. So let us see what is inside the bag. First thing I'm pulling out is kind of a box. Oh, a Laneige Special Care Water Sleeping Mask. It is a quick absorbing gel mask. Oh, I like gel. That hydrates skin while you sleep. Who doesn't like a sleep mask? Let your beauty work for you even while you sleep. And the next item I'm pulling out is a clean slate beauty blender charcoal infused soap for removing excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. Oh, yes please. Wet your sponge or brush, run it over the soap, create a lather, squeeze out the water, and repeat until clean. Yup. I have a few beauty blenders and no beauty blender cleanser at present, so thank you. I am really excited about that. The next item is Sunday Riley Lactic Acid Treatment. High potency purified grade lactic acid. It's a weird packaging. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's odd. Oh, it's Good Genes. Duh. I wonder why they put this cute little tube, which is perfectly fine its own, inside this tearaway package. But okay. This is really good actually. Sunday Really Good Jeans. Pretty good stuff. Next is Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. Restore Perfecting Spray, a leave-in hair conditioner that smooths, softens, and enhances shine. Okay, hair care. Stay Glacé Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glacé. A high pigment lip crayon in a dusty mauve shade. Bite Beauty has such sleek packaging. Let's see what Glacé is. Let's see this mauve. Gosh, that's hard to open. That's not bad. It's kind of pretty. I can get behind that. It's got like this rubbery texture on the outside that I kind of groove on. And there's the... I think it's a little pinker than the end of the pencil color appears like it will be. Those are all the regular sample sizes, and the beauty bonus is not a fragrance this month. It is foil pack shampoo and conditioner, which I hate because it's never quite the right amount. But it is the beauty bonus, so it's really hard to complain. Way hair care, shampoo and conditioner for repair. Repairing damage, protecting color. All right. And that is January, just in time for me to drop the infographic thing on the ground. My favorite thing in there? Ooh. That's tough. I really like this box. The only thing I don't really like is the foil pack hair care, but it's a toss-up. I mean, good jeans, but I've tried it before, so I'm gonna say the Laneige sleeping mask. Okay, February, what's your theme? I don't know, but it sure is groovy. Love Struck Beauty. Mix your love potion. The art is very tripadelic. Alright, let's jump in. There's the bag. I got a tube. It is a tube of Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum, Radiance Serum for complexion correcting. Oil-free brightening serum that visibly even, excuse me, whoa. I'm allergic to Caudalie Vino Perfecting Radiance Serum. Woo, that's a big sneeze. Sorry, guys. Okay. It is an oil-free brightening serum that visibly affects and evens skin tone. Put it on clean skin morning and night, which will help if you have dark spots. And it's hydrating. Not really a dark spots girl. Red spots, but not dark spots. I'm very red. Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes. In the color Intense Ebony. This is an eyeliner pencil in a deep black shade. It's a creamy formula. Good tugging, good gliding, no tugging. And you get 60 seconds before it sets. Oh, so you can smudge it out for a smoky eye, but you only get 60 seconds, and after that, it's water resistance and long wearing. I like that idea. Usually, either it's pliable or it's got staying power. I love the idea that you get a little bit of time to smudge it up before it sets. Okay, Clinique, I see you. Next, Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These are like little sheet masks for your under eyes. They look like that kinda. And they go right under your eyes and make you look perky and young. 10 to 15 minutes. They set on gold foil for hydration and brightening. I like those under eye masks just in general. I've got a Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Why can't I talk today? Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. It's a refreshing gel cream that boosts moisture and helps skin stay hydrated. 72 hours. Alright. If you're gonna have a long night out, put this hydrator on. Let it keep working. It'll make your walk of shame look great. I can tell by the feel of this that it's Bite Beauty. Totally is, look. Bite. This is a Bite Amuse Bouche lipstick in the color Sake. These Amuse Bouche lipsticks are infused with vitamins and oils for saturated color and weightless coverage. This is supposed to be really moisturizing. So let's see. See how the color Sake differs from the Bite Beauty lip pencil that was in the last month's box. I'll put them right next to each other. Alright, the Sake is the one with the line under it. And the other one was Glossic. It was the lip pencil. They're actually really similar, guys. But the Amuse Bouche lipstick in Sake, it's a little bit pinker, with fewer brown undertones, less mauve, but only slightly. It is also a little bit creamier and softer. So, I mean, they are similar but alike. I guess Bite Beauty has a thing, and we're going with it. It's a decent neutralish color. Okay, that is our 5 items, and our beauty bonus this month is Kat Von D Saint and Sinner collection. Oh, one of each. like this. Saint and Sinner. So it's 2 perfumes. And if I spray them both, I'm gonna smell real weird. So the Saint is, according to this packaging, dreamy, romantic, and alluring. And the Sinner is dark, sultry, and empowering. I wonder if this talks about the blends. Usually does. Okay. The Saint is in the floral family with top notes of mandarin, middle notes of jasmine and vanilla, and base notes of musk. The Sinner is in the warm and spicy fragrance family with top notes of orange blossom, middle notes of cinnamon and white floral, and base notes of plum. It's kind of cool that you get 2 fragrances from one beauty bonus. Oh my gosh, that is everything in February. What is my favorite thing in the February box? I am really excited. I think the Clinique 72-hour hydrator, because keep working. Anytime you can keep working, it makes me feel happy, I guess. Yeah. Sorry about the sneezing. Sorry I couldn't talk, but we made it through, you guys. Thank you for opening my Sephora play boxes with me this month. Good stuff. Sephora, both of these make me very happy. Yeah, what's your favorite thing out of these 2 boxes? Let me know in the comments down below. I can't wait to get into another box with you soon. Have a great day. Bye.
For fabulous adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. To see what I get up to in my life around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Sephora play down in the bottom, and you can click my face to subscribe. Share if you liked it. Bye-bye.